Hi, everyone. Michael and
Matt
and
Koala.
from Bullion Now and the little coin shop and just about everywhere else around the neighbourhood. We thought we'd do a live unboxing, well, live-ish unboxing.
Yeah, live for us.
Of the releases for this month for
Little
Perth
coin
Mint.
shop,
Yeah.
Perth Mint, little
Perth Mint
one
and
in the
Little Coin
same.
Shop.
What do we got?
That's the one. Well, I want to see your reaction.
I'm intentionally not looking at the labels.
All right, we'll do this one first because it's probably the one that's not going to knock your socks off, and then I want to see your reactions on some of these.
Oh, good. Manage expectations. I like it. Remember when this was a you would always promote this as like a special one-off, you know, oh, we got this from Little Coin Shop.
Yeah.
It's becoming more and more just a common fixture.
Yeah, we should actually separate it out, shouldn't we?
I've heard that. I've heard whispers of that before. Connor's nodding away, but we'll just wait and see.
So these, I love these. These are the Perth Meat keep telling me they're not part of a series, but they keep doing them. So these are the 1 ounce Bullion.
Simpson related, perhaps.
Simpsons. So
Not
these-
a series. What are you talking
Yeah, I know,
about? They've done the whole family.
Well, this is
Oh,
their
Homer.
latest Bullion one. So this is good old Homer, looking stunning there as he does.
Yeah.
But what I love about these is you can only get these in Australia. So the coin they ship over, they make 25,000 of them.
Yeah.
22,500 get shipped straight overseas in
Capsules?
their standard capsules
Yeah.
and shrink wrap rolls. And then 2,500 they keep back in Australia and they card them. So you end up with this rarity inside a rarity, if you like. So they're very limited, 25,000, you know, they're Simpsons, so they go off like a frog in a sock.
They do. Yeah, well put.
But then so the collectors chase them, but then particularly the overseas collectors go, well, hang on a sec, there's a different one and it's even rarer.
Yeah.
Even though it's the same coin, it's part of the card, it's official issue and all
Yep.
that sort of stuff. But there's only 2,500, so then these, you know, rapidly disappear into the sunset overseas as well.
Well,
so,
it makes for a better display as well. You know, if you want to put it up on your, you know, in your display cabinet or something like that, you want to have all the characters represented. Yeah, it's a nice package. I do like that.
yeah. So I think they do a good job with it. And like I said, I love the fact that these are only available in Australia. So grab those ones while you can. Go over to littlecoinshop.com.au. But this next one,
Right, now we're talking.
this is the one I
Hit me
want.
with your main event.
You ready for it?
Yeah. I was born ready, mate.
Believe it or not, it's another
Oh, more Simpsons.
more Simpsons.
Yeah, all right.
But
However,
this is the start of a new series. And I want to see
but
your
that one
reaction.
wasn't part of a series, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So this is, they call them...
It's like a
chibis?
chibi.
Yeah.
That's a New Zealand mint.
Yeah, so
product.
they've... I don't know
That's
if I'm...
nah. They'll get in trouble if you call that a chip. They call it minted minis.
Yeah.
Oh,
So it's-
how
it's-
they're gonna. I wonder if they'll end up in hot water with New Zealand over this.
Nah. I showed Ruben and I showed Oscar,
Yeah.
and the reaction was mixed. I'm on the fence.
What do you mean you're on the fence? Look at it.
I know. Like if you go, that's not Bart Simpson, that just looks really weird. But it's part of a new collection that they're trying. And they've got a whole series of them. So they're going to produce them all like this. Yeah, I know. Like I said, I'm on the fence. They'll either go off really well or we'll get the same reaction that you just gave.
Your only hope is that so many people in the community have my reaction, so the mintage ends up being small.
I have to admit, your reaction was exactly what I expected.
Yeah. Oh, good. I felt bad for a second. I didn't want to. You know, if you're hoping it'd set my world ablaze.
Look, I actually prefer that we react naturally to these things.
Well, yeah, because I'm
not-
sure, you know, some people that are passionate about The Simpsons and want something different, yeah, it'll tick those boxes for you. But, yeah, I'm pretty particular with the things that...
Look, from a coin purist perspective, I'm going to end up damaging that, so I'm going to
yeah,
put it
you
to the
maybe
side.
go the certificate separate. Yeah.
We'll just put it to the side for now. The packaging's really cool. I actually quite like the packaging, but...
Yeah, Perth Mint, I tell you what, they do have that over the RAM.
Yeah.
Their packaging is much, much nicer.
I would far rather we reacted naturally to it and people knew that we weren't just going, oh,
Can you
this
imagine?
is wonderful to everything.
It's the greatest coin I've ever seen.
All right, so now we can move on from the non-chibi bar.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So this one's a mixed box, which is always fun and games. You never know what you're going to get in one of these.
Well, hopefully you've got some inkling as to what you're going to get.
Well, either this is going to be a lot of fun or this is going to be boring because it's going to be, you know, all minis and one of something else. So we shall find out momentarily.
Oh, more homers.
More homers. Oh, now you
more
like
koalas.
these. Yeah, but these are different koalas.
Perhaps a 5 ounce.
Ah, you hit the nail on the head, mate. Just looking to see if there's
more minis.
more minis.
That looks like a mini.
So these are the one that you've really got to look out for. I just want to see, because there's meant to be quokkas in here, and there's something I wanted to talk about with the quokka, but it doesn't look like they're in here.
Are they in the centre?
No, it doesn't look like it.
Oh, that's a lot of minis. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, all right. So this is, Matt's right, this is the 5 ounce koala.
Also
this
gilded?
But this is rose gilded.
Oh, okay. They did that with the kookaburra as well.
So this is,
Oh, that's
I think
nice.
this is beautiful.
Yep, I do like that.
So there's only 500 of these.
Yeah, 500.
500
that'd be
of
the
them
vintage.
these
Yeah.
made. And they're a 5 ounce coin, so you're looking at probably somewhere around about that $600 mark for it. But it's, again, and we keep talking about this, it's the concave face on it.
Yeah, that looks good.
So you've got the depth there, and because it's a 5 ounce, it's quite a thick coin, so they can go fairly deep, and then the rose gold gilding actually brings that koala picture out and makes it look very three-dimensional. You've also got the rose golding on the rim, and you can see that, particularly from the edge shot, you can see it rose golds there. So I think this is a fantastic coin, incredibly limited production.
I think it might be overlooked as well in the short-term future if people are taken with a 3 ounce. This may be a sleeper. Bit like the sleepy koala.
Yeah, good on you.
Yeah, we'll see.
The problem,
What do you think?
Well, I would agree, except for the 3 ounce has gone off. Like, it was almost an instant sellout.
Yeah.
And it's now on eBay. Was it the live stream last week we were talking about this? They were at $800 each on eBay already.
All right, yeah, I'll redact that statement.
So with
only
only 500 of them in existence,
yeah,
I think they're going to go fairly quickly. Mm-hmm. And I don't think... Yeah, I think if you don't grab them now, you're going to be paying, within a very short period of time, you're going to be paying 50% plus on the premium.
I would not be surprised. Yeah, you're right. All right, fair shake. Twist my arm.
So, if you missed out on the 3 ounce, grab one. And if you got one of the 3 ounce, I'd be getting one of the 5s as well.
Yeah.
And I said this before, I love the techniques that Perth Mint's currently playing with, like this, changing their gilding around, using rose colours and all that sort of stuff within the gilding.
I'd like to see a video on that process. I'd like to see a little bit of behind the scenes on how they go through all of those steps. That'd be interesting.
So we need to pack you off to Perth, do we? With the camera.
Like this video, if you want to see me put in a suitcase and sent over to Perth. Do a little behind the scenes.
That's the one. All right. The other one that's not here, that will be released today, whenever this comes out, is the quokka. Now, the thing I love about the quokka, it's the coloured quokka. The thing that I love about it and drives me nuts, it's the 2022
previous years
coloured quokka,
yeah,
but it uses last year's design. So I've actually seen the pictures of it. I haven't seen it in real life yet. I've just seen the marketing pictures, and it looks great.
Okay.
But
however,
but it's last year's design, so I'm kind of torn because I really like it. It looks good.
Yeah.
But it's last year's design, and we're releasing the Bullion Quokka 2022, which is a different design, will be released in the coming months.
Why do they do that? That's the only coin they do that with that I'm aware of. Where it's a whole year behind. Because they don't do that with any of the lunar coins or anything like that.
No, they don't. They kind of do it with the double Pixu.
Oh, okay.
Kind of.
Yeah.
But that's because they released the silver one year, the gold the next year, and carried the design across.
Oh, yeah.
So it's kind of the same, but kind of different. So, I don't know about that one. But yeah, that's going to be released tomorrow or today, whenever this is released.
You might see it at the end of this video.
Yeah, that's right. It hasn't arrived yet with our stock. We're expecting it any day now. Apparently it's
very good.
Lost in dispatch somewhere.
Yeah.
Not our dispatch. I'll clarify that. So that will be released as well. And like I said, it's a great looking coin, but it does use last year's design. So don't buy it expecting a different design to the Bullion coin from last year. it is different to the coloured quokka from last
A
year.
new coloured design.
Yeah, that's right. Alrighty, which one out of all of those, which is your favourite for your stack, and which is one that you'd invest in?
Favourite for my stack would be Homer, just because I have a few of those Simpsons coins. I don't mind the Homer.
Yep.
Investment, without being financial advice, it would obviously be the Koala. Given the performance of the other rose gold gilded 5-ounce coins, it's a bit of a no-brainer.
Yeah, I agree.
Special mention to the strangest release I've ever seen out of the Perth Mint. Maybe that's going to be its point of difference, just confusing people.
Yeah.
That Bart has really you've thrown me.
I don't know. I can't pick that one. I don't know where I stand with it. So we'll see.
Yeah, remains to be seen.
I definitely agree. As far as investment goes, I'd grab the Koala, and I actually really like it as a coin in and of itself. So
yeah, but you like the accurate depiction of the Koala.
Yeah.
Does nothing for me. He's having a snooze. Fire up, do something.
koalas don't fire up, and when they do, you don't want to be anywhere near them.
Oh, well, at least you show me the Koala eating some eucalyptus leaves or something.
Yeah, that's
An action shot. Falling out of the tree. I don't know. Some sort of movement.
Oh, yeah, the 2023 koala falling out of the tree. Hello. All right.
Is this a video or a live stream? What are we doing?
We've probably gone on long enough with this one. So head over to littlecoinshop.com.au and grab any of these that grab your fancy. You've heard our opinions on them. A little bit mixed this month.
Yeah.
But,
Let us know yours. What do you think of Bart? How accurate is that depiction?
Yeah, I don't think they were going for accuracy on it.
Well, what do you think?
Yeah.
Nonetheless, we want to know.
All right. That's it. Tuning in again next time for more craziness.
See you later.
See ya.